Hello guys, this is Leena Moon. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with another topic of edutainment. Edutainment is education along with entertainment. Does watching English movies improve your English? If your English is not so well, then go for watching some great Hollywood movies. By watching Hollywood movie, you can stock up your vocabulary and could impress your friends. Now you have the perfect excuse to watch movies. Put on plenty of popcorn or whatever your favorite movie snack is and be comfortable. So what I recommend you a couple of things. Firstly, watch movies that you have already seen. Doing that helps you understand the general idea of what is happening. So when you know what is happening in the movie, you can guess the dialogue. So if you really do enjoy watching movies, then I recommend you watch Harry Potter series in your native language first, like Hindi, Telugu, and then in English. Because of this, you will be able to understand English better. For beginners, keep it simple. Those who are just starting out should watch a simple movie. These are the movies they should watch. Jurassic Park, The Lion King, Finding Dory, Toy Story. These are familiar stories. They also have a smooth running dialogue throughout and are easy to understand. Some of my favorite movies you must watch to improve your speaking and sentence formation skills. I recommend you guys watch Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland is American science fiction mystery adventure film. This is an ambitious movie involving different generation, time travel and visions of the future. A great message about how positive and forward thinking can influence our future. Love and appreciate what the film is trying to say. Next movie, Life of Pi. Life of Pi is an intense emotional story of survival and triumph against the odds with theme of faith and friendship. Life of Pi is one of those not even a single moment is dull. I really liked the movie and the gradual growing relationship between Pi and Richard Parker. My favorite part of the film was his curiosity for life, his love for animals, and his confusion and belief in all faiths is just an innocent. Irfan Khan gives a very subtle performance, communicating through his eyes. The Karate Kid. The Karate Kid is known as the Kung Fu Dream in China. Jackie Chan is in the lead role. The movie is about 12 years old Trey Parker who migrated from US to China with his mother. He has been bullied by his school friends. Whenever they get a chance, they beat him up, make him embarrassed, and threaten him keep distance from all of them. Trey Parker had a great desire to learn karate. He took great efforts to learn karate. His mentor, Mr. Han, teaches him all secrets of self-defense. Finally, his mentor announced that Dre Parker would participate in karate competition against native. Everyone was looking forward to seeing him win competition. Finally, he won because of good teaching, endurance, and self-discipline. Let's move on. The 1997 film Titanic is one of the most successful and iconic movies ever produced. It is absolutely full of vocabulary. I have watched this movie at least 7 times, but it still makes me cry and seems new each time. I cannot think of any actor or actress who would have played the roles better. The chemistry between Jack and Rose is mind-blowing. This movie has drama, action, romance, all rolled into one. It makes the viewer fall in love with each and every scene. If you like my work, make sure hit the bell icon because it motivates me to make more videos. If you found this video helpful, then do like it and share it. Thank you so much.